So you landed on this video because you heard about the new Nowsite rewards program and you want to know more about it. All right, let's go. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur with six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies. And today, I'd love to share with you the new Nowsite rewards program. So let's go right into it and show you exactly what this is all about. I'm going to go ahead and log into my back office so you can see my rewards and then go see exactly how I accumulate those. So right now, you see right here, I have $223 worth of reward points. Now, those rewards can be redeemed in our travel. We have our own travel portal where we actually can save and get a discount on travel, hotel lodging, rental cars, so forth and so on. And we can redeem those points to be able to save. So now you see right here, I have over 223 points. I can take some of those points and say use them towards a trip that I'm about to take, or a hotel I'm about to stay in, or a car I'm about to rent. See what I'm saying? And the nice thing about this is you get these rewards for just doing what you're supposed to do anyways. Yeah, doing what you're supposed to do. So, for instance, you know how we have our 3-click marketing, right? I come over here, I go to my social post, and let's say I want to do a 3-click marketing post for the day. So, I'm going to post this one right here, okay? So, I post it to my Instagram. Let's post it to Twitter. Now, I want you to keep in mind, we start off with 223 points, right? So, I'm going to post this one to my Twitter. Okay, so it's going to post that, tweet it. Okay, so you see that been tweeted. I hit yes, and look at my reward points. They just went up. See how it went up $1? Okay, great. Was that the easiest and quickest dollar you ever made right there? Like, have you ever made $1 faster? And the nice thing is, again, you get points for everything. So look, when you first come in and join, right, you go to support, and it's an onboarding process. So what this is these are walkthroughs, okay? So can you imagine right now that these walkthroughs, you get paid for doing what you're supposed to do? Connect your email, check how to work the contact section, how to do your 3-click marketing, how to find your referral link. Like, these are things that you would want to do anyways. Well, just look at how many things is right here. That's a whole lot of points, right? That's a whole lot of dollars you're earning right there. So think of this as like a cashback reward program. Think of this as like when you use your credit card, but your credit card ain't giving you this amount of points. You know what I mean? So just look at all these. You can be going for days. I think it's only like over 40. This is definitely over 40 different things to do right here. So you can easily come in, start off right away, and already be earning $40 and reward points. Just that fast, just that simple, just that easy, right? So very, very big, very, very huge. Yeah, to be able to use. And the nice thing about this, what you're looking at right here, is that this actually goes towards your overall points every month, but they roll over. So if you don't use your points today, then they actually roll over, and then you can use them later on in the future. You can let them accumulate. Also, wherever subscription you're on, so let's say you're on the $87 plan right now, you can get up to $87 worth of points every month. So you can get up to whatever subscription you're on. If you're on the $47, then you get 47 points a month. So you can see how you can easily rack up 87 points. Also, if you're part of the life, you get the full subscription automatically added. The amount that your subscription is, you get those same amount of reward points. So imagine that you got life, you pay another $50 a month or whatever, and then boom, you're getting those points put into there every month. Or, and that's on top of from you just doing what you're supposed to do. You also get points for creating a website landing page and the people opting into that landing page. So you get points, various different points for doing things that you just supposed to be doing anyways. How cool is that? Now, how cool was that, right? And you know what? I'm gonna do another video where I'm gonna do a comparison, a side-by-side comparison of, how much we're saving using our rewards, using our travel portal versus using, the typical Expedias and Travelocity and things like that. And just to show you just how much we're saving. I actually took a trip to Miami. I stayed in the Fontainebleau and I saved, I think, like $200, a night or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely share that with you guys so you guys can see it side by side, see how awesome it is. But again, this is on top of already how awesome Nowsite already is. So all the benefits that you're already getting with Nowsite, from being able to make unlimited websites, online ads, email autoresponders, SMS, texting, social media marketing teams. I mean, look, I can go on and on and on. And the fact that we able to take full advantage of a platform that we already need to market our business and then be able to get kickback for doing what we're supposed to do anyways, for me, is a no-brainer. Okay, real talk. So I wanted to share these rewards with you guys today. I mean, like I said, Nowsite's always been scaling it up, and they continue to do so, and it's been getting better and better and better with 100% growth every year that we've been in business since 2017. So I'm just very, very proud to say I've been a part of it and been here since the very, very beginning. So if you like what you've heard today and you want to go ahead and get started with Nowsite, then go ahead and hit the link below and hit that getmoneylikeaboss.com, and we'll get you going. Or if you got questions, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you have, and hey, possibly help you get going and get started. All right, I have the #1 team, and I'm the biggest influencer within the company, so I highly recommend that you jump aboard and we get you started, hitting the ground running. All right, with that being said, I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video. If you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button. That way you don't get left out when I do them, and also hit that bell. I appreciate you. See you next time. Have a blessed day.